As 2026 rolls in, winter's not the only thing getting colder. Your wallet might too, especially if you buy the wrong SUV. Japanese brands built their reputation on reliability, but lately, not every model lives up to that samurai spirit. Some still fight like warriors, others feel more like grocery store warriors with a check engine light. So today, we're sorting the real deals from the money pits. 3 Japanese SUVs you should stay far away from, and 3 you can buy without losing a wink of sleep. Let's start with a luxury model that tried to challenge the Germans and ended up challenging your bank account instead. The 3 Japanese SUVs to avoid. 1. Infiniti QX50, when luxury means expensive to fix. On paper, the Infiniti QX50 looks like a dream. Leather seats, a turbo engine, sharp design, premium badge. In reality, it's the kind of luxury that keeps your mechanic rich. That continuously variable transmission, the infamous CVT, is as moody as a barista during a rush hour. Parts, harder to find than parking in downtown LA. Repair bills? Let's just say you'll start memorizing your shop's coffee menu. And since Infiniti basically ghosted most global markets and shrunk its US lineup, getting OEM parts is an adventure in itself. Sure, used models look tempting for the price, but every repair feels like an archaeological dig through obsolete tech. Bottom line, the QX50 is a financial trap wearing a luxury badge. Now, meet its mainstream cousin. Same genes, same problems, just more of them. 2. Nissan Rogue, the everyman's SUV, with the same old issues. The Nissan Rogue is everywhere in suburbia. It's roomy, comfortable, has a nice family-friendly vibe, and the same fragile CVT that's been haunting Nissan owners for over a decade. Jerky acceleration, hesitation on cold starts, weird whining noises, all classic signs of a Rogue transmission begging for retirement. Sure, Nissan's tried to improve the newer models, but early 2010s and 2020-era Rogues are still landmines in the used market. The Rogue's reputation for Japanese reliability is mostly nostalgia at this point. Buy one cheap, and you might still pay the price later, in repairs, frustration, and Uber rides. Mitsubishi Outlander, the SUV that refuses to retire. The Outlander has been around forever. It's the grandpa of the group, been through every trend. Diesel, hybrid, plug-in, you name it. To be fair, it's not a total disaster. Its engines are okay, and the plug-in hybrid version had its moment of glory. But compared to 2026 standards, it's outdated. Slow infotainment, cheap interior materials, mediocre safety ratings, and gas mileage that hurts your feelings. Mitsubishi's trying to reinvent itself, but the Outlander still feels like a relic from another era. If you want a dependable modern SUV, look elsewhere. The 3 Japanese SUVs worth buying. Now let's talk about the ones that actually deserve your trust. SUVs that prove Japan still knows how to build something bulletproof. 1. Subaru Outback, the unstoppable trail buddy. The Subaru Outback is the car you buy when you're done believing marketing hype. It's not flashy, it's not trendy, but it just works, every single day. With its signature flat-4 boxer engine and symmetrical all-wheel drive, the Outback doesn't care if it's snowing, raining, or the apocalypse outside. It's the go-anywhere, do-anything kind of SUV, and it keeps going long after others give up. Maintenance costs are reasonable, and Subaru's reputation for durability still stands strong in 2026. If you live anywhere north of Kansas, this might be your best friend on 4 wheels. 2. Honda CR-V, the family SUV that just won't quit. The Honda CR-V is America's comfort zone on wheels. Not the flashiest, not the fastest, but absolutely reliable. Engines run smoothly, transmissions last, and even the hybrid versions have proven rock solid. You won't hear CR-V owners complain about repairs, just oil changes, new tires, and maybe a kid spilling juice in the back seat. It's the kind of SUV that quietly does everything right, year after year. If you want peace of mind, buy a CR-V and don't look back. At 3. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, efficiency meets longevity. The RAV4 Hybrid isn't just another crossover, it's the benchmark. Toyota's been refining its hybrid system for more than 2 decades, and by 2026, they've practically perfected it. It's powerful when you need it, smooth in traffic, and insanely efficient on fuel. And the best part? It doesn't age like most hybrids. Toyota's hybrid batteries are known to last way past the 10-year mark. While other brands are still trying to figure out how to make hybrids reliable, the RAV4 Hybrid just keeps winning. It's one of those SUVs that never begs for attention. It simply earns your trust. So, there you have it. 3 Japanese SUVs that can drain your wallet faster than a gas station coffee run, and 3 that'll still be running strong when today's EVs are museum pieces. In 2026, real luxury isn't about horsepower or giant touchscreens. It's peace of mind. It's knowing your car will start every morning, handle every road, and never leave you stranded. Which Japanese SUV do you think deserves a spot on this list? Drop it in the comments. And remember, on this channel, we don't sell dreams. We show you how to drive smart, save money, and keep your car out of the repair shop.